So to get started, I have already installed my 2-strand twist. They're a bit chunky, and that's how I wanted them. So with this style, I want some definition and quite a bit of frizz because we're going for the puff look. So I'm just going to separate these curls, and I'm not, being gentle at all. I'm just basically separating. I want some frizz in there, so I did let these set overnight, and I did use the Curl-La-La to set them, so they are nice and juicy and very defined. So like I said, I'm not going to be gently separating. I'm just gonna make sure that I'm separating for fullness because I want a nice full look. So just watch and see how I do this. All right, you guys, now that I am done separating, I'm gonna take my pick and I'm going to pick away at this hair. I want a lot of volume and a lot of height. So as you can see, I'm pulling it up and basically getting rid of any gaps that there may be. So of course I'm going to be taking my Curl Boss curling jelly to slick my hair back, and as well for my edges. I like the way this gel feels on my edges, nice and light and not too heavy. So I'm just going to take that and I'm just going to put it all over my edges and slick my hair back with a brush. All right, so I'm just gonna take a headband, and this is not cotton. It does have a silkier texture, so it won't annoy my hair and break it off. And this is my base headband. This is just gonna help my other head wrap or headband to stay on. And so I'm just gonna pick here to see and make sure the hair is falling right with the headband on. And then I'm gonna go in with a head scarf. And I got this scarf from Walmart. It's a long rectangle scarf. I'm just gonna fold it down and then I'm going to apply it to my hair, and you guys can watch and see how I do this. And once my headband is nice and secure, I'm just gonna go back in with my pick and make sure that everything is fluffed out, nice and fluffy. And look how cute this looks. Look at how cute that headband. I absolutely love it, and I want it in every color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super simple, super easy. This style is perfect for my short hair gals. It gives the illusion that your hair is much longer than what it is. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the products that I use will be linked down below in the description box. You can also find them at Walmart, your local Walmart. If you don't know which store or which Walmart in your area carries the Aunt Jackie's products, log on to AuntJackiesCurlsandCoils.com and search their store locator, and you'll be able to find that info. So I thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll talk to you on my next video. Bye.